If you are learning web development and DevOps right now, just stop scrolling. AI is not just coming for your job, it is transforming it. From coding websites and deploying apps, AI is changing everything. Each and every part of this process is changed by AI. And if you don't adopt it, you will left behind. Let me show you exactly what's changing.
And how to stay ahead. So let's go.
Hey guys, my name is Krish Gaur and I am a BTech Computer Science Engineering student and I am on a journey to learn zero to top tech skills. Today, I am going to break down that how AI is going to shake up the world of web development and DevOps. So let's go. From today's video, you are going to know about what to learn, what to avoid and prepare for future. So let's go. With tools like GitHub Copilot, ChatGPT and Codinium, you can now generate HTML, CSS and even React codes in seconds. This means junior dev needs to focus less on syntax and more on logic and designs. Example, you can literally type, create a responsive login page and boom, the layout is done. But the catch, you still need to know how to debug, customize and optimize it. That is the only play that we have to learn languages like CSS, HTML. Tools like UZ Framer AI and Figma AI plugins help to create a UI from text to prompt. You can just design a landing page for a pizza shop and get a ready-made mockup for it. Here is the power of AI in the world of web development and other DevOps. The impact of it is much simpler. This reduces time to market and helps startup to launch faster. But it is also means creativity and is now a premium skill. AI can track user behavior and adjust the content dynamically. For example, if you think about Netflix or Amazon, but you get personalization of it on your website on any application you are using or you are made or you have applied AI on it. For custom tools like Google AI or Google Gemini recommendation, you can show user what they want to see even before the searching of it particularly. Instead of checking 20 pages to find bug in your code, you can use AI tools like Testum, Marble or Replicate AI to find a bug. That is so simple. And also test your UI in the AI models and get some suggestion to fix the code automatically. If you are using GitHub Copilot in VS Code or you coding on Replicate AI or you are using Testum externally or cloud. DevOps is not just about CI and CD now. It is just about intelligent automations. This is so heavy word. You can use AI tools like Dynatrace, Datadog AI or New Relic AI. This is new one AI model that is too good as compared to Dynatrace and Datadog AI. You can also detect anomalies in real time using this type of tool and prevent app to crashes before they happen. Imagine you are using AI to write your Terraforms or any several scripts. You are just saying deploy a 3-tier app on AWS or auto-scaling, and AI write a lag for it and you can done your task right now. That is so easy and a small task for AI models. In DevOps, logs are gold, but no one likes reading 10,000 lines. AI can now summarize logs and detect error patterns and even fix recurring issues on its own. Just too cool. Imagine DevOps directly sent a message or an alert to a Slack or a team and AI suggestion solution or auto starting server. AI can do this. And tools like OpsGenius AI, PaperDirty AI and even custom GPT bots can help it to do it and make this task possible. You have to just focus on fundamental. AI wasn't replace you if you are understand how code server trains. So let me tell you the step. Master one of the stack like Mern or Java plus Spring Boot that the coursing going in my course channel, the Logical Lassi by Krish. Or you can also learn how to use the tools like Copilot, ChatGPT for code. You don't be scared of AI. Use it like a Iron Man uses his suit, and that's amazing. Jarvis is ChatGPT. For project, I have an idea for you. You can make AI-powered chatbot for your website or auto-deploying portfolio like GitHub Actions. You can also build a smart error detector for logs. This stand out in your resume. And all these we are going to make in our AI ML course. These are going to go in future. We are working on it about the notes, the course, curriculum, and all of this. We are also trying to do 30 plus project in the course, plus all about AI ML and DL, neural network. DL means the deep learning you going to learn in the course, and other things. And we are going to learn Python data science starting also to build a base in it. So we wait for it. We are going to do the twist. The course is completely free, plus notes and all project, 30 plus project. And this course is going to help you to get an internship or good job in sector of AI with a strong background. So keep in the contact. We are going to destroy the world. So the outro is AI is not going to replace you. AI is just replacing those who would not want to evolve. If you are just getting started in tech like me, this is a golden opportunity and perfect time to learn smart and not just hard. You have to learn smart. Hard work is not sufficient now. You have to learn smart. Okay? And use AI to level up, not to get lazy. And remember, it is not AI versus human. It AI and human versus optical systems. Remember it. If you are like this breakdown, subscribe to and follow to my journey of pre-tech student to top tech skills, and comment ready if you are serious about leveling up. Thank you. Have a nice day.